Crypto markets have been crashing, but looks like a recovery is happening across the boards. Today, we're going to look at 5 potential 100x plays for Solana memecoins. As Solana is starting to gear up again, things are getting hot. The Solana memecoins are pumping. We're seeing pumps anywhere from 6% to 11% to 24 or 30%, 40%. Wow, the markets are absolutely pumping. And here are the potential next 100x Solana gems. Bitcoin about to break $100,000 again. Let's flip and go. Let's start the list off with cap with hat. I do understand the video by prefacing and saying that this is obviously not financial advice, and every play is going to have its own risk. So make sure it matches your risk portfolio before you're entering these positions. But we'll look at cat with hat, okay? I thought this one was interesting because it's currently sitting at a $3.755 million market cap, okay? It's peanuts. At one point, this is one of the top cat meme coins, okay? On X, there are 200,000 followers, okay? It's one of the OG Solana meme coins. They're still pretty active. They're doing burns and a lot of cool things within the ecosystem, right? It's all with Hapa Cat. And with Toshi pumping, maybe we'll see a revival of these cat-themed meme coins. It's up 2% a day, down 10% on the week. In terms of the month, we're down 40%. And in the year, we're still up in the green. And I think there could be some potential buying opportunity here. We see a little community post. During the past 30 days, $66,000 worth of cat with hat was burned and has been burned out of circulation using 4% burn fee with the X Solana token extension. So burns are happening, and we go to all, and this is where things get interesting. We saw about market cap. At one point, this project was peaking at nearly $70 million market cap, right? That's when around the time it crashed. If this reaches previous all-time highs, we're looking close to not necessarily 100x gain, but we're definitely getting up there, right? We're talking about 30, a little bit higher than 30x potential if it reaches previous all-time highs. However, for us to be a 100x gem, it would need to reach a $300 million market cap, which sounds like a lot. But at the peak of the market, with altcoin season full-fledged, it's possible to see a full recovery for Cat Fat. Therefore, it's on my top 5 100x playlist. The next one on my list is Solaxi. It's a Solana crypto pre-sale. So Solaxi, the world's first crypto pre-sale, or the world's first, not crypto pre-sale, Solana Layer 2 blockchain, okay? This one offering 209% stake in rewards, and it's currently in pre-sale. Also, time from this video, we've seen 1 hour and 16 minutes. They'll be raising the price. This is the price right now. And you want to advantage of these pre-sale products by buying it early. I've covered a couple of pre-sale projects in this channel in the past before. We made some pretty decent gains. You may anywhere from 10x, 50x in the pre-sale alone. And when it was launched and it gets enough hype, it could have 100x potential on its hand. Remember, guys, the market is basically, they've raised only $20 million, less than $20 million. If this goes to $200 million, we're talking about a real bag in our hands. I've seen pre-sales go from raising a couple $1 million to reaching $400 or $500 million if the hype is there. And with the layer 2 option, the layer 2 they're offering, this could have exponential potential. It wants to solve some Solana pain points like network congestion, failed transactions, and civilization limitations. So if it aims to solve these issues and does it successfully, this could be a big bag in our hands, so you may want to load up. All right, the next meme coin on my list is Myro. Now, Myro is one of the most popular Solana meme coins when it launched, and it's been having a real shaky start. We see at one point a market cap peak at nearly almost $400 million market cap, okay? Now it's at 18 million, right? So it reaches previous all-time highs. We're talking about a real 50x potential in our hands right now. So these are the kind of gains I like looking at. Our monthly, they move 25x. So this play could be decent. Again, with all these plays, they're a bit more on the higher risk side, right? Maybe the principal price is not as high risk, but even the high risk, there's no guarantee to it go up. But also, we're at a great point where this price is down 65% a month. We look at the chart, it's basically, it's down. You're getting in at early buy-in prices here, right? So with that potential, we can see some pretty serious gains here. And again, the risk factor is pretty low, right? Because you're getting in, you're buying at the bottom, right? How much lower is it going to go from here, right? Does it mean we're not going to go lower? It's possible to go lower, but you're getting a pretty decent entry point. All right, the next Solana meme coin on my list is, you guessed it, Pengu You might be surprised I've been covering this one first, since I cover Pengu pretty much every single day. Currently sitting at sub $700 million market cap. I made a video earlier today around this time when I was at, I believe it was at $600 million market cap. Yeah, right around here. We're already up near the $100,000 since we've last made the video. I say I'm a guy, it's part of the bottom, it's part of the bottom. And again, that prediction turned out to be right. And this will probably bounce back to a billion dollar market cap easily, and then hopefully multi-billion from there, reaching real all-time highs. For this to 100x, we needed to see like a $60 billion market cap, which sounds crazy. But remember, Doge could see that market cap at those levels. So if you reach Dogecoin level hype, it's quite possible, right? So again, big play, Pengu is on the list as well, and last but finally not least is Mudang. Mudang is a popular one ever since they're listed on Binance. It went absolutely crazy, but since then we're down. We're down to 64%. We'll be all similar thing, guys. It's almost like this is a true bottom. So again, low risk but high pumping possibility. To the market, guys, this one peaked at around 700 million. I just about 700 million. So if it reaches its previous all-time highs, we're talking about 10x potential. If we go to the billion-dollar category, it's specifically 6 billion, and we're talking about 100x on our hands. And that's what we're looking for right now, guys. We're looking for 100x potential. The reason why 100x gem potential is better than making a 1020x is because you can put a lot less money in, right? For example, put $100 in, and it truly it's 100x, but I'm gonna make $100 into 10 grand, right? $100 to 10 grand. Right? Is that the right calculation? I'm pretty sure that's right. I'm going to factor it real quick. I would turn $100 into 10 grand. Yeah, 10 grand. First is you put $1,000 in there, and then you need 10x. Well, the risk could be higher. So that's why I like these 100x gem style projects. If you enjoy watching these style top 5 to 10 kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about my picks. And also, if you would put something different, put in the comment section below. That's the video, guys. Bitcoin's heating up, crypto's markets are heating up. But like always done, this is financial advice. It was to always due diligence before I see any money that comes to the current channel.